Hello everyone, part 2, my journey into Qi. I'm Anthony Monteith from the Qi Life Academy, a healer in every household. My first journey into experimenting or feeling Qi was in the external martial arts of Korean culture. It was really only when I got to 15, 16, 17, 18, that age range, after training for 5 or 6 years, that I was exposed to breath hold, breath manipulation, static postures, and deep inhalation and exhalations. And despite the good level of fitness that I'd obtained through regular training, the idea of holding my breath for extended periods of time in certain postures was extremely alien to me. Because most of my time we were breathing heavy, fighting, sparring, doing forms, learning self-defense and conditioning, which was all very strength and cardiovascular based exercises. So naturally to me, I assumed that being that fit, that standing and holding a breath in a certain position or a certain posture with a certain emphasis should be easy as pie. And little did I know that it ended up being a lot tougher than you can imagine. On speaking with my instructor at that time, and later towards the end of my external martial arts trainings, which ended around my early to mid-20s, he spoke often of being heavily injured, not necessarily from fighting, but from hobbies such as motocross sports, and using these breath work and practices to help, alongside with meditation, help him heal a lot quicker from external injuries such as bone breaks and soft tissue damage. And that was the first time I heard this particular teacher speak of such things. And some part of me was surprised, pleasantly. Other part of me was shocked as well, because I'd never heard of my teacher speak this way. And I felt like that was a window into the part of the reality of certain martial arts masters who keep a lot of the secrets for themselves, rightly or wrongly, either to preserve the tradition, or because it was seen as the internal skills were seen as more prevalent or more appropriate for those who'd reached a certain mastery in the external skills. So in part 3, I'm going to discuss my first experience of Qigong as a word, Qigong, in terms of sort of the Taoist approach, or a Chinese lineage approach to the work. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day. I'm Anthony Monteith from the Qi Life Academy, healer in every household.